In wireless transmission, we use different types of technologies, sometimes Bluetooth, sometimes radio frequency, and sometimes the internet. Each method has its own limitations. Using the internet, we can send data over very long distances. But the problem is, the internet is not available everywhere. In that case, a great solution can be LoRa communication. This is an RYLR998 LoRa transceiver module. With this small device, we can transmit data up to around 10 kilometers without using any internet. Also, it consumes very low power. Today's video is sponsored by Reyax. This device is made by them. They also produce many other useful modules. You can find more details in the description box. Thank you so much, Reyax, for sponsoring this video. To increase the range of this module, there's a small antenna on top. It has a total of 5 pins: VDD, GND, TX, RX, and reset. To configure the RYLR998, you need a USB to TTL converter. You can also use an Arduino instead. After completing the wiring, connect your USB to TTL converter to your computer. Select the correct COM port. Now open the serial monitor and set line ending to both NL and CR. Usually, the default baud rate is 115200, so first select 115200. Now type AT and press enter. If you get a reply OK, then your wiring is correct. Type AT plus IPR equals 9600 and press enter. Then change the serial monitor baud rate to 9600. Again, type AT and press enter. If you get OK, then everything is ready. Now follow these commands. AT plus address equals 1. AT plus network ID equals 5. AT plus band equals 868.500.000. Now the transmitter LoRa module is ready. If you want to check the settings, you can use these commands. AT plus IPR question mark. AT plus address question mark. AT plus network ID question mark. AT plus band question mark. Next, configure the receiver in the same way. Follow the same steps carefully. The circuit diagram and codes are given in the video description. Now our transmission system is ready to use. We can control an LED wirelessly from a long distance.